In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tally. So in this beginner tutorial, to get started, open your web browser and go to Tally.so. From there, click sign up and create your account using your email address or another supported sign-in option. Once you're logged in, Tally will take you straight to your dashboard, which is where you'll manage your forms and responses. Next, click create form to make your first form. You can start with a blank form if you want full control, or choose a template to speed things up. As soon as you make your selection, the form editor opens automatically, and this is where you'll build everything. Adding content in Tally is very simple. You can click anywhere in the form and start typing right away. If you want to insert specific question types or form elements, use the plus button or type // to open the insert menu. From there, you can add common field types like short answer, email, phone number, multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-downs, a date picker, file upload, rating scale, or long text. This flexibility makes Tally useful for everything from contact forms to surveys and registrations. Once your questions are in place, customize the form so it feels polished and organized. Add a clear title and description so people know what the form is for. You can also use headings and dividers to break the form into sections, and if you need to change the layout, simply drag and drop fields into the right order. After that, open settings to configure how your form behaves. Here, you can customize the submission confirmation message, set a redirect after submission, enable notification emails, apply response limits, or choose a form closing date. These settings help you control the user experience and make the form work the way you need. If needed, you can also add conditional logic. This allows Tally to show or hide questions based on earlier answers, creating a more personalized experience. For example, you might show business-related questions only to business owners, or display follow-up questions depending on what someone selects. If you want to collect payments, add a payment block, connect your Stripe account, and set your pricing and payment details. This is especially useful for registrations, consultations, or digital products. Tally also connects with tools like Google Sheets, Notion, Airtable, Slack, Zapier, and Make, which can help automate your workflow and manage submissions more efficiently. Before sharing your form, click Preview and complete a test submission. Make sure the questions display correctly, your logic works properly, and any notifications or integrations are functioning as expected. When everything looks good, click Publish, copy your public form link, and share it through email, social media, or your website. If you want the form directly on your site, click Share, choose an embed option, copy the embed code, and paste it into your website's HTML block or embed section. Finally, to view submissions, return to your dashboard, open your form, and click Responses. From there, you can review entries, export the data,